When I'm cutting parts to size for a project, there are times when I need to cut just a little bit off the end of a workpiece, like this miter joint. That's something that's not real easy to do on a table saw. So what I do instead is I come over here to my workbench and use an add-on called a shooting board. Now a shooting board holds a workpiece at just the right angle and guides a hand plane to trim just a hair off the end. Now I want to show you something about this one that I really like. The fence system on this shooting board is adjustable so that I can adjust it to trim the end, the square end of a workpiece as well. And then to see it in action, you can see that I hold the workpiece against the fence, I'll line it up with the front end of the hand plane. Now the hand plane rides in a track on the front edge of the base of the shooting board, and it's guided by a rabbet that's cut along the edge. Now I can just make a pass along the end, and now I can go back and check the fit. If I need to, I can make more passes until I get a perfect fit. A shooting board is a perfect addition for any workbench.
Woodsmithplans.com. Hundreds of professional, high-quality woodworking plans right at your fingertips. Every single plan is presented as an easy-to-download digital package that includes pages of step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, illustrations, and exploded views, retail sources for hardware and supplies, plus a cutting diagram and materials list. Many plans offer handy video overviews and guides. Plus, we're proud to offer our plans in both standard and metric. Everything is here, from gorgeous heirloom furniture projects to handy shop projects and upgrades, clever, cost-effective storage solutions, as well as weekend projects and accessories that are great for gifts. All fully searchable and categorized for easy browsing. Woodsmithplans.com, everything you need for building fine woodworking projects.